Okay, so the chain right here, right now, is pretty tight. And then you roll it along a little bit. Now it gets a little bit looser. Roll a little bit more. Now it's substantially loose. So when you tighten your chain, get it into the spot where the chain is the tightest. See right there, it's super loose. Get it into a spot where the chain's the tightest, and then you adjust the slack on it. If you adjust the chain in just some random spot and don't check for run out, you'll adjust the chain and then the darn thing will be way too tight. And I suspect it's the sprocket that, you know, it's either this sprocket or this sprocket. When they make them, they don't get them totally concentric with the, you know, with the inner bore, so the chain sprocket itself runs out.